Y'all, this is without freaking gel. Wow.
Head high chest up and catch that frame, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I'm gonna be attempting a low sleek either ponytail or bun, I haven't decided yet, without using any gel on my type 4 hair. I want to see if I can get my hair still laid and slayed without like heaps and heaps of gel just for it to sleek down. So I am going to film this tutorial for you, and we're gonna see if it is possible to lay type 4 hair without any gel. So you know what, actually I need to get the back together first. So I already split my hair in half, and I also already made my part. I need to actually form the ponytail first, which means that I need to start in the very back. So I'm actually going to be using this Texture ID styling cream that was sent to me by Sally Beauty, because I want to see how well it moisturizes my hair. It's a very thick consistency. It doesn't really have a smell to it though. Yeah, this is definitely a thick cream, which is probably really good for a sleek style. Oh, and my hair is detangled, by the way, you guys. Finger detangled in the shower and stuff. If you haven't watched my wash day routine or whatever, go ahead and check that out after this video to see how I detangle my hair prior to putting it in hairstyles. And I actually have my Denman brush just to try to smooth it down. Not trying to run it all the way through. I'm just literally doing like holding it this angle and then twist it. Don't brush down, just twist it and kind of smooths it. I feel like the ends of my hair need a little bit more TLC. And then I'm gonna go in with my Jamaican black castor oil and coat that over top of the styling cream. Definitely gotta make sure I get some oil on the ends of my hair. Okay, then I'm gonna take 2 ponytails and wrap it. I only wrap it twice because I'm gonna have to keep unwrapping and re-putting in extra hair. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to this next level. Again, we're still working on the back. I typically don't use styling creams. I usually use my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, but I think it's actually a really good thing that I used a styling cream instead this time, because this is already kind of like clumping the hair together and weighing it down, so that I think it makes it much easier for me to like get into this ponytail. I really don't think that Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner would have like semi-flattened my hair. I don't know the word. It's not flattening it, but it's kind of just, I guess, meshing it together. I really don't know how to explain it. But because the cream is so thick and heavy, it's keeping my hair more cohesive. I can definitely tell that. Like Shea Moisture would not have gotten it like this. Putting on the black castor oil. I don't know what you guys think, but my hair is getting pretty slick without any gel being used right now. Very interesting. So now we can start on the front. So I'm gonna do almost the same thing, but add an ingredient. So let me put on the Texture ID styling cream all over this section. I'm actually gonna have to drench this section a little bit because I need my hair to stay manageable, and my hair is most manageable in a like wet form, so that's why I'm wetting it. Ooh, I found a spot that I missed. This Texture ID is like really nice. Whoa, I actually might have to do a separate video just trying to do a style with Texture ID styling cream only, because my curls look really good right now. And that's all I'm putting on my head. Wow. Alright, back to the sleekness. So I'm gonna make my part. Take some of my Jamaican black castor oil and put it on this section all the way down. Then I'm going to take my small rat tail comb and just comb it backwards like so. Make sure this section is detangled. It has to be detangled in order for it to sleek back the right way. I'm actually going to put a little bit more Texture ID right here. Add this piece that I just put in and ponytail it together. Another part. Jamaican black castor oil all over the section. Use the small rat tail comb to start sleeking it. But this section really has to be detangled in order for it to turn out as sleek as possible. And as you work your way up, you start incorporating a soft brush. And that gets it super sleek too. Y'all, this is without freaking gel. Wow, I'm so glad I tried this. I high-key, I really didn't think that I was gonna be able to sleek down my type 4 hair without gel. This is something serious. So I'm gonna add it to this section. All right, last section of this side. And I know typically you're supposed to start from end to root, but I realized I don't have to like detangle the whole section all the time. If I just make sure like the part that's gonna need to be sleeked down, so probably to here, needs to be detangled. So that's usually why I start from top to bottom, and I gently kind of rake it through whenever I get like stopped by the kinks. I don't keep trying to pull all the way through. Like, see, if I glide it down, it stops right here. I'm not gonna keep trying to pull through. I'm gonna pull out and just tease it. And by teasing it, it allows me to get a little further each time. When the section is detangled the right way, any size styling tool will glide through your hair. Throw some more Texture ID on here. Who would have known styling cream might be all you need to create a low sleek hairstyle? Styling cream and patience, obviously, because you gotta work it in sections. This is the first side. It's pretty sleek. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and come back to you guys. Alright, then of course we're gonna have to lay this thing with a scarf. As you can see, the hair is super laid. No gel. No gel at all. Although the hair is laid just from the Texture ID and the Jamaican black castor oil, I have a little bit of flyaways, nothing big. I'm sure they were kind of set after I use my scarf. But just to make sure I get that extra hold, I'm gonna go in with my Creme of Nature twist and curling pudding and just put that on top of my hair. And it smells, in my opinion, really freaking good. So my hair is gonna smell bomb. And this will just help with the longevity of the hairstyle. I think it would have laid flat if I wouldn't have added the curling pudding, but I don't think it would have lasted as long. So I definitely want this style to last me a few days. Gonna go ahead and set it with my scarf. I will come back and show you guys my finished result. Alright, beauty gang, so I am a couple days late, like since the last time you guys saw me. So many things started happening. I wasn't able to come back on film and show you guys how my hair laid out, but all I did was refresh the style. It was the same product. Still have used absolutely no gel on my hair, unless you want to include my edges, like slaying my edges and baby hairs. Other than that, my actual hair, I have not used any other products other than that Texture ID or the Creme of Nature curling pudding. And this is how my hair looks. It's extremely sleek, looks very well moisturized, and I'm honestly very pleased with the results. And I think, lowest of keys, I prefer not using gel for my low sleek bun anymore, because one, I don't feel as much pulling when it comes to my bun as I used to. Two, I kind of have noticed when I have gel and with my low sleek bun and the style starts getting old, I start having like a lot of little flyaways that are like real short, so I assume it's kind of from breakage a little bit. Whereas with this style, I barely have any of that going on, and I just love how moisturized it looks. It is not flaked up on me or anything. So, and it's been like 2 or 3 days since the last clip, so I'm very pleased with this low sleek bun. Like, I really think I'm done with gel for the most part. Let me not say I'm completely done, but now that I know that I don't need gel to accomplish sleek styles, I am about to do some things with that, y'all. I really am. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Let me give you a close-up. Do you guys see that? It's dang near the same exact results that you would get had you used gel. Personally, to me, the difference is that it looks a lot more moisturized and it's a lot more soft. Like, I like that my hair feels so soft. Y'all, this is that thing. So yeah, y'all, as you can see, type 4 hair can lay without any gel. And I know I get a lot of questions of people asking me how I like maintain my low sleek buns, how long I rock it, stuff like that. So if you'd like a video on that, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment below, and I will show you my like nighttime routine when it comes to my low sleek bun and how I moisturize it and maintain it for a week. But yeah, you guys, that is all I have for you. Really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new, and hit that bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. Until next time, guys, bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty